In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring products with GoHighLevel. Let's start right inside your GoHighLevel account. From your main dashboard, head over to your Launchpad. This is your central hub where you can access all the key tools you need. Once you're on the Launchpad screen, look for the option labeled Payments and click on it. This will open up all the payment-related features for your account. Inside the Payments area, you'll see several tabs. Go ahead and click on Products. This is where you'll manage everything you sell through GoHighLevel. To create something new, click on the Create Product button. This opens up the product setup page where we'll configure your recurring offer. Start by typing in the title of your product. Make this clear and specific so your customers immediately understand what they're signing up for. After adding the title, click into the description field and write a short, helpful explanation of what's included, who it's for, and any important details. Next, you'll see an option to enable a product label. Check this box if you want to highlight the product with a special tag like popular or best value. Then click into the product collection field to either select an existing collection or search for one. Collections help you group similar products together and keep your catalog organized. Now, move down to the tax settings. Click on Select a Tax Category and choose the option that best fits this product based on how it should be taxed in your region. Below that, you can decide whether tax is included in the listed price. You'll see options like following your global settings, always including tax or excluding it. Choose what matches your overall pricing strategy. If you want to attach specific tax rates, check the box to enable that as well. In the product media section, click on the area that lets you upload an image or other media. Adding a visual makes your offer more appealing and easier to recognize. Next, look for the price type dropdown and click it. From the list of options, select Recurring. This is what turns your product into a subscription or membership style offer. Once Recurring is selected, type in the recurring amount that you want to charge each billing cycle. If you'd like to show a discount, you can fill in the Compare At price. This is the higher original price that will be crossed out to emphasize the current offer. Then set a trial period if you're offering free or reduced access for a certain number of days before billing begins. You can also type in the number of payments if you want the subscription to end after a set number of charges, or leave it open-ended if it should continue until cancelled. If you charge an upfront setup fee, enter that amount in the setup fee field. If inventory matters for this product, such as limited spots or physical items, check the box to track inventory so you don't oversell. Further down, you'll see fields for SEO meta information. Type in an SEO title that briefly describes the product in a way that would make sense in search results. Then, add a meta description, summarizing the offer in 1 or 2 clear sentences. Finally, create a URL handle for this product. This becomes part of the web address, so keep it short, readable, and related to your product name. Once everything looks good and you've reviewed your details, scroll down and click Save. Your recurring product is now created and ready to be used in